So here's one of the many rivers, small one, but still a river, that flow down through the island, which is a much larger island than the other islands of Martinique here. Side of the road here, obviously it keeps on flowing down into this unbelievably lush countryside here on the island of Martinique. All these islands are pretty darn green. I'm ready to climb down this very, very dense jungle to a waterfall here. See people going down, working their way along here. This is one of the more treacherous walks here, including getting your feet wet. See, I had to take my shoes off to get over to the waterfall. So here's the waterfall. You have to work at it to get to it, I'll tell you that. It's the hardest I've ever had to go on a lot of rocks with no shoes on. Really trying to get across this water here. There's where we came from to go see the waterfall, all the way up there.